Okay, hello, this is Mark Bakker again. Today with a video on Saltstack in action and some multi-threading. Saltstack is all about multi-threading, of course. If you start a state or a command and you target that to several minions at the same time, it's not like it's waiting for one and then starts the other one. So it's multi-threading called sort of async calling involved. I'm gonna give a demo on how that works. And this time I have the following scenario. It's always nice to have perhaps some challenge or something with it. I don't know. I think it's nice at least. Let's see. If we start the paint. Okay, we have paint here. And let me see. Let me go back to the shell here. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so we have a lot of servers here. Imagine it being 1,000 again, and we're sitting here with Saltstack, right? So we have some multi-threading at our disposal, and all these systems have a minion installed, and they are connected to the Salt master. Here we have a user again, is not so happy, right? And why is he not so happy? Because he has a couple of systems that needs to connect to like a sort of central server where everything comes from, and that server has a specific IP address or a DNS name, doesn't matter. But everybody needs to connect to that server over port 53, right? That's TCP traffic. So it's a sort of large DNS packages, right? Those ones goes over TCP, and the small packages go over UDP 53. But it doesn't matter. I have a listener here configured, and I want to test something. So, but this guy is basically stuck, all his servers, and he needs to make a report on which servers is not able to connect to that system anymore because he suspect he has a couple of servers in a couple of VLANs uh, that have a specific problem connecting to that central server because other ones seem to be able to connect. So he needs to spot which servers have a problem. And fortunately, the guy has Salt. So he's a little bit sad because he doesn't know how Salt works. But here is the experienced guy again. It's a big smile, of course. As he tells, give that to me. I will help you. We're gonna use Salt for that with multi-threading. And within a couple of minutes, we should know which system is able to connect and which not. And that guy doesn't believe that, of course, but we're gonna prove to him that we can do that in actually. And the nice thing in Salt, there is a module to test stuff. But first, do the traditional approach. So let's go here, and we do a telnet, and I want to telnet this one on port 53. Hang on. Okay, that works. Right. So, but now it hangs. God damn it! You see the problem already? Okay, fair enough. I can run that command, that telnet command against all those servers and get some response back, hopefully, if it doesn't hang like I showed you in the example, but it will take a lot of time. But what if you have like a tool like Saltstack, right? That will actually really make it as easy as this. So I will target here only my DSC service. Imagine you have a lot of servers, of course, and you do just a wildcard there. I have a lot of servers that are offline, otherwise it will take some time. So I'll just do the DSCs ones. And basically, you call the function network.connect. So basically, that's a telnet. See it as a telnet. That's the input. So where does it need to connect to? And that's the port number you wish to connect. And if you run that, imagine this being 1,000 servers, of course. It's now multi-threading. You see, it's reaching out and it's done. And you see it already. So you have a nice overview. And use your imagination. You can use grep, of course, where the result is false, for instance, and then only use those systems you know. Or you use PowerShell, like I showed you, convert these outputs to a JSON object, and then filter out the items that have a problem. But basically, if you have like an insane amount of systems, this will work still. And you have like an immediate output. So we can go back to this guy and tell to him that we have like an overview for him there, right? That he can use. And and to solve the problem. So basically, this guy now is able to go to the network guys, from the network, because those are the ones that changed the firewall, of course. That's laying here, the firewall, and there were some rules modified, and now he knows exactly which systems, right? So which IP address, and he can report that list back to the network administrators and ask them to open port 53 again for those systems. And this guy is all happy again because everything works now. And we can thank Salt with the multi-threading engine for that. So it's very nice. So this, yeah, just a short example on a little challenge which you can solve with tools like Salt, for instance. Okay, I think that was it for the demo. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.